Here we are in the lobby of the Banana Factory. And if you look immediately to the right of the door, you see the alarm keypad. Right now, with the green light showing, it's disarmed. To arm it, you're going to hit Command, Arm. When it prompts you to enter code, you just swipe your fob or your key card. When it asks you all, hit yes. All systems on. And you'll notice that this changes to red, which indicates now that it's alarmed. To disarm the system, all you have to do is swipe your card. And it'll return the system as disarmed.